Estrogen treatment is irreversible and would make Josie sterile. But Josie and her mother never doubted it was the right thing until an unexpected conversation happened one afternoon.
But on the inside, where nobody else can see,
Yeah.
are you a boy or are you a girl?
Maybe I'm a boy inside and a girl outside.
Really?
Yeah, is that true?
Only you know the answer to that. So, if you wanted to grow up to be a man,
Yeah.
would you tell me?
Yeah.
Hey, if you wanted to grow up and be a man, you could.
Paano niya pa gagawin yun?
Wanna be...
Castrated na siya.
Sometimes I think I'm a boy, sort of, but I want to be a girl.
Yeah.
Will you love me if I'm a boy?
Of course. I would love you no matter what. I always have, and I always will.
It was the first time Vanessa ever heard Josie sound uncertain.
That's why these kinds of decisions are made by adults. Because yung consequences ng ganitong klaseng desisyon are life-changing. Hindi mo yan dapat binibigay sa bata at hayaan mo silang magdesisyon pag may sapat na silang kakayanan or utak para magdesisyon. Ikaw kasi, porket malambot lang yung bata, binakla mo na or ginawa mong tomboy dahil lang sa may iba siyang pagkilos, edi hindi na lumaki ng tama at nasa ayos yung bata. Because ang pinufulfill mo na lang yung ego mo para maging world's best parent dahil lang sa binigay mo yung gusto nila. Hindi kailangan magdesisyon ng bata about sa gender nila ng ganyang kabata. 'Di ba? Pwede mong i-divert or i-park yung ganyang topic until such magkaroon sila ng sapat na pag-iisip. Pwede mong i-divert yung curiosity nila into other fields like sports, science, music, literary, so on and so forth. Pero dahil nga wala ka namang ibang hobby kundi hadain or magpahada ng ego mo sa social media, kaya ka post dito at post doon ng mga pinaglalaban mo, pati yung bata na walang malay, babaklain nyo. And take note, with the life-changing consequences. Ay, nako, Pilipinas. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.